Hi guys, James from Hob Ceramics here. I've just received my new Batt system from Hartley & Noble. It's an over-the-wheel system just like their others, but this time this one's made for throwing plates. If you don't have Batt pins in your wheel head, it's great to use because it's made to measure like the others, but you'll also be able to use their Batt to throw plates as large as you like. This set comes with the chamois, the same as the others, and a couple of the Hartley & Noble slip-on bats just for throwing. So let's see how it works. First with this is you're going to want to get your chamois nice and wet, and then just lay it onto your wheel head. Make sure it's nice and even. Take your master bat, place it over the wheel head. Just push it down, make sure it's nice and secure, and then grab your bat. I normally use my finger underneath where the hole is just to sort of try and get an eye for where I'm going with it, and then straight down until you have it on the wheel. Once the plate is finished, I will leave it on the bat for a couple of days until leather hard, where it will just pop off on its own. To remove it from the wheel head, all I do is I get a wooden tool, pop it underneath, and then the piece is released on top of the bat.